I'm gonna do fried pork today. You can add salt if you like, but I'm not gonna add salt. Not right now. Say 3 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 to 3. Maybe more, because this is gonna get rid of all the germs and all that. When it's done, I'm gonna season my meat once it's done. But right now the cooking process is 3 pieces of chicharron, whole pieces. I can show you one from scratch that I'm about to hook up, because mama ain't no joke in the kitchen. See that? And then this second one, look how big they are. Big nice pieces. And this the third one. Okay, so right now they're just gonna boil, and I'm gonna pressure cook these for, I'll say, 45 minutes, maybe to an hour, because I want mine falling off juicy. So I'll do 45 minutes to an hour boiling. I'm just adding more water because I don't want it to stick or burn. That's all. Yeah, that's hot. It's the big pressure cooker, the big one. Lock it down. I just need the top pressure cooker. The pot is locked, and let it go. 45 minutes to 1 hour right here. I'll come back and check. I'm back from boiling the chicharron. So this one got a napkin to like dry it. This is an hour process. That it was cooking for an hour for the meat. Sprinkle that on there evenly. You do front and back. Just sprinkle. This is more for color and flavor. Evenly. See that? Rub it in there evenly. Smear it in there. Get it all on the meat. So this is why some people chicharron be orange, because they use sazon. That's the first thing I did. So I'm gonna turn these over. Well, actually, I'm gonna use the adobo for the side, being that it's on this side already. Sprinkle this on. Just lightly. Don't like it salty, guys. So I'll go lightly to get it in there. Dispense it evenly inside. See how it's falling apart? So tender. Oregano. Just sprinkle. I like oregano on mine. Okay, I want to turn this, but I don't want it to break apart, so I'm going to have to take my time and continue with the sazon. Because remember, the sazon is already salty, guys. So I'm just going lightly, just to get the color. You see what I'm saying? It's not even a full pack. So each one, take that. Because adobo is very salty, guys. But it has nice flavor. See that? Pretty now, right? So when I get ready to fry it, it's going to be crispy. Nice and crispy. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Lightly. Just to get the orange color. Okay. Look at that, guys. How nice is that? Look, fall right off. Delicious. because you don't need too much. Because it has a taste of its own, and it can be a little salty sometimes. So you got to know what you're doing. Each piece, and I'm working it in. All them juices flowing in there. And guess what I'm gonna do with this, guys? Air fry. I want to sprinkle a little on this side also, but very lightly. Okay, some of those juices rolling out of there. Now I don't want to disturb it too much, so I'm gonna turn this one and shake a little more. Seems like I'm running out. Okay. Just a sprinkle. Just a little. And I'm gonna do all three because human can be strong. That's it. But it feels so good. She says, if I could, but I gotta leave you alone. Yeah. Some juices is rolling out of here. It's trying to get away from me, Jamal. Seriously, it's trying to get away. But I can't mess with it too much, okay? So I'm gonna just, I don't want it to drop. Get some of this juices up. See that? Get them juices back in there. Now, I'm done with that process. Keep cracking for maybe like 40 minutes. Do it. Because I don't want to fry it with oil. So I already fattened. But it's a nice treat. Look at that. Flavor. You see that? Look at all those juices that came from the meat. Nice seasoned meat. Okay. Okay. Chopped garlic. That I want to put inside. It's already cooked. Just putting this like that. I can actually use my hands to get it clean. This is some good meat. I did it good. I'm gonna stick the meat in the air fryer for about 45 minutes. About to do the rice. Cooking, I use Goya beef. I'm getting ready to put my rice inside. I have a little chicken bouillon, sorry, in my rice. It's like a half a pack. So, you can find this at the local Family Dollar or something, salt free. Or you can go to ShopRite and get it too. Whatever your choice may be. Add a little flavor. Okay, just a little garlic. Powder garlic. Air fryer. It's gonna pop. You're gonna hear it popping a little, but I'm gonna do 35 minutes. Okay? Air fryer. There you go. You can do 370 or add the temperature higher, or you can go lower. And clean is already clean. White rice, jasmine rice. I like jasmine. So I'm adding this in a pot with some fresh garlic. I don't like the powder inside my rice. Okay, little chicken bouillon in here. Okay, now I'm adding the rice. The water's boiling. I don't have enough water, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water right here. It's like a half This is like a cup holder, maybe. Everything is pretty much done, as you can see. More ingredient to my rice, which is the infamous olive oil. Just a little olive oil. Just a little olive oil. So the rice won't be stuck together, to be nice and separated.
No olive oil.
Huh?
No olive oil.
I'm gonna add, that's like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, honestly. That's like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So you can add that. Okay. Clean this off a little something. Goya pinto beans. I added fresh garlic. I sliced the onion. Cilantro, fresh cilantro, which I'm gonna pick out in a few. Tomato sauce or paste, a tablespoon. Sassoon, of course. The can's so big, so I added 2 packets of these in here. Okay. Black pepper, salt, adobo, Goya adobo. I put. Just gonna stir the rice so it go evenly. Okay. See that? Smells so good in here. Eat this with your spoon as a side or a crunch. You got the crunch? Give it the meat, see? Put them on. Extra flavor.
Visit Chocolate Restaurant and Bar in Harlem and enjoy their delectable blend of carrot, and famous brunch. It's available
Chicharrones,
7 days a week. Celebrate
white rice and beans.
Join Chocolate Harlem's birthday club and enjoy a complimentary birthday
Mama's
entree
Kitchen,
event.
peace and love.